Have you ever got yourself a cocktail book and wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe in there? Well, my name is the Rusty Bartender, and we're about to embark on a journey to create all 125 cocktails from this fantastic book, Steve The Bartender's Guide to Cocktails. And it just so happens that today is cocktail number 1 in the book, the Americano. Let's go mix some drinks. As you probably can see behind me, the shelves are pretty empty at the minute, but as we go through this cocktail book, making all the cocktails, that shelf is going to fill up with all the spirit bottles we need. For a little bit of fun, when we do every single one of these cocktails, there's going to be a bit of audience participation. I've got a question for you. Do you like Campari? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, history of the drink. Let's see what Steve's book has to say. The Americano. The bright red bitter liqueur Campari was created by Italian bartender Gaspare Campari in 1860. Shortly after, he tried mixing sweet vermouth with his bitter liqueur. He called the drink the Milano Torino to pay tribute to the origins of its ingredients. Campari from Milan and vermouth from Turin. Bartenders at Gaspare's bar began adding soda water to the drink, and it became popular with the American expats around the time of Prohibition, resulting in the name Americano. The Milano Torino also led to the creation of the Negroni. This recipe is as easy as it gets when it comes to cocktails. You've literally got 3 ingredients. We've got sweet vermouth, Campari, and soda water. This is a built drink, so we start off with some ice. Next, we go in with 1 ounce of Campari. Then we go in with 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Then we're going to go top up with some soda water. That'll be around 2.5 ounces. Then we give that a gentle stir. Now the garnish for this is a fresh slice of orange. A nice thick slice of fresh orange. There you have it. Cheers, the Americano. There we go, folks. That is the first recipe done and dusted. The Americano. It's pretty bitter. If you don't like Campari, I wouldn't go making this drink at all. Campari is just one of those flavors. You either love it or hate it. There's no in between. It's still a beautiful drink. Give it a try. Anyway, I've been the Rusty Bartender. Welcome to this journey. I'll see you next time.